So we had this graph earlier, and there's a neat trick with this graph, or when we are this equation, when we're talking about quadratics. We found out again that the x equals 6 and that x equals 8. We know there's two answers to this, and what we can do with this is these are our roots, okay, our solutions, and with these roots or solutions we can actually find our factors just by making these things equal to 0, like this is right up here. Okay, so what you do is all you do is you take the root and you say, well, if I subtract that, that's a factor, and if I subtract that, that's a factor. And what this means is when we actually graph these, x will actually hit, when we graph this parabola, x will actually hit at 6 and 8. This parabola will actually hit there. That means that's where those solutions are. Okay? And if you look, when I do the math here, I get x times x is x squared, and then x times negative 8 is negative 8x, and then negative 6 times x is negative 6x, and then negative 6 times negative 8 is 48. And when I reduce this, I get negative 14x, and this is the same thing as this. And now we can find the roots, we can use quadratics, we can do it all different ways, but we're still going to end up with, if we understand how roots work, we can also understand how the factors work. And if we understand how the factors work, we can also find the roots.